Hey everyone, just doing a quick update here. It's been a few weeks since I've talked to myself about my trading, but I'm just taking a look at it and seeing this earnings season is winding down big time. Actually, it is. What is there? Not a lot left. 4 trades left. Um, You can see how it's shaken out. Just a reminder, this was earnings season, the first earnings season, and it's 69 risk units. This earnings season's been tough. I mean, it's honestly started as a complete shit show. Um, the strategy is based highly on technicals, and every stock was in a downtrend, technically, at least a short-term downtrend because of Humpty Dumpty and the tariff scare. Um, so you can see, let's see where we were at here. We started the earnings season right about here in the middle of this mess. I mean, this is FedEx. I don't know why I'm looking at that, but let's look at the S&P 500. Look at this. I have an open trade on this. Yeah, look at this chaos. So started earnings season right there. I have some IWM right now, a little swing trade. Look at this really tight stop. I entered there. That's my stop. It's up, I don't know, 10 risk units. So I don't know, unrelated to this strategy, just some swing trading. But I don't know. Let's take a look at a couple things here. The IGV, this is this is where the risk units came from by sector. So consumer staples were pretty tough right here, and IGV was tough. Which, um, if we look at Q1 earnings season, the IGV was the biggest contributor. It had 25 risk units. It was real nice. The thing about the software stocks is they trade at very high multiples, and a lot of these stocks reported good earnings and were down like 20%. Like people just weren't having it. They weren't gonna pay up for them anymore. They might start paying up again, but it was really peculiar to see and interesting to see. So with those high beta stocks, you got to be careful. Good earnings down 20%. It was something. And then same with the XLY, honestly, it's kind of the same story. It's consumer discretionary. Some of them had pretty good earnings, but people were selling them anyway into any strength or any good news because they just assumed that the consumer is deteriorating and why not get the hell out of the way. So very interesting there. Um, Healthcare did 10 Rs, industrials did 10 Rs, materials did 4 Rs, staples did 7 Rs. Um, I'm hoping for a big turnaround. I'm hoping this is, kind of just, it was a tough running season, let's be honest. It was a complete shit show. So this is sort of what it looks like. This is every trade. You can see lots of winners, lots of losers. This right here, it was a shit show. I was in Michigan. I don't know how I would have played this I was taking 10 minutes out of my day to enter trades very quickly. I was trying to sell a house. I was taking care of my boy. Um, and the sad part about that is I was like at the trigger. I was like, I should not take this at the open. Look at this. I took this short. It was in an ugly downtrend. I got out right here. I don't know. So we'll see. That's a 6 hour loser. Um, that one trade alone is a 12R difference. So you can see the strategy right now is up 11 Rs. Not bad, all things considered. I mean, I wish my R was $1,000 and not 85. And I am going to increase it here. But it would be way up here. It'd be low 20s just from one trade. So I don't like to have gaps that big where one trade can dictate so much, and you can see they are pretty rare. It's like almost twice as big as the other worst um, or best trades, but that's the way the cookie crumbled this time. Next time, hopefully, I'll be on the right side of something like that. Um, So yeah, that's where we're at. That's the quick update. Very interesting earnings season. Learned a ton, and I'm just super grateful that I'm up money. I'm up money. I mean, it started very rough. Was able to battle back, and I'm up a little money. So you can't beat that. And hopefully next earnings season, I'll update this graph to have this line be light like this. We'll have a whole new earnings season, and we'll just see. We're just going to follow every earnings season, and I don't know. I'm going to increase my R, and we're just going to keep plugging along because this is really, really easy to do. So that's where I'm at. In other news, I have not sold my house yet in Michigan, the Keweenaw. There's someone looking at it tomorrow, so come on, baby. However, um, I got a job. I got nervous. The house wasn't selling. Applied for a few jobs, and I got one. So now I'm going to work a little bit, and that's fine. I'll give that job all I got for as long as I can, and maybe it'll be awesome. If it's awesome, I'll stick around. Hopefully I don't have a shitty boss, and my boss is chill because I've been down that road before, and it's not very fun. All right. Peace. We'll see you next earnings season.